let's try that. Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators. This is the YouTube channel that my husband Gary and I have put together to document the restorations on our big brick house in Paducah, Kentucky. And today I want to talk a little bit more about the attic. This is the third video and final video of the attic series. Wanting to focus on talking about the collar ties that we put up at the roof and the framing and some of the things that we discovered along the way. So come on, let's get started. If you could take just a moment and hit subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. It helps us know that someone is watching our videos. Super easy, doesn't cost you anything. We don't come after you. You just have to have a YouTube account and hit subscribe. Great, thanks, I really appreciate it. Last but not least is the half walls near the stairs. I guess they're called the gutter walls or stairway walls. They need to be really, really strong. So you've got to secure them. We use 2x6s and we doubled up in many places. And as you can see here, super strong, not moving at all. And to secure them extra tight, you need to go underneath the floor and bolt them to joists, as you can see that we did here.